Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Google Pixel 7 has a stereo speakers. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device. So on top there's nothing. There should be phone call speaker right here on the screen. There's two speakers on the bottom, one right here and the second right here. And that's basically it. Now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, and if the sound is coming from at least two sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try that. So clearly sound is coming from all of the sources, and that would mean this device has a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.